Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove the storage drawer located underneath the dryer. Some people don't want it because it makes the dryer too tall, or they just don't want the storage there, period. Okay, the dryer here is sideways right now, and there are 4 screws on the left and 4 screws on the right. And what you want to do is basically, this is very simple. Just remove the 4 screws and then wiggle the dryer off after you remove these 4 screws. Really simple. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the right side. And then we're going to go over to the left side. And guess what? We're going to do the same thing on the left side. There are your 4 screws. Now there's what it is a plastic piece that clips onto the bottom of the dryer and onto the storage container. So by removing these screws, you're able to disconnect it now. Really simple process. And I've seen others that are a whole lot more difficult. This is really simple how to separate it. And what's good about it is the dryer has legs on it already. So it's not like you have to take the legs off the lower storage, but the dryer has legs underneath it. So once you take it off, nothing to be added. Now what you're going to do is tilt it left and right, get it unlocked from underneath the above the dryer. It's kind of got little spaces that's locked in. So once you get them out of that area, you got it loose, and then you just got to kind of lean it forward and let it come down slowly onto the ground. And once you got one on the ground, lean it forward and move the storage container out the way so you can put the dryer on all 4s. See how I'm leaning it? Now I'm pushing the storage container out the way so I get a landing space for the dryer. And there you have it. Just that simple. Not hard at all. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.